Hello everybody, my name is LaDonna with LaDonna Marie Photos and Designs. I am here to talk about Photoshop shortcut keys. Those are keys that help you to work smarter, to work quicker, and not harder. Photoshop has so much power, and when you know where it is, then you're going to get your work done quicker and smarter, and definitely not harder. So are you ready to learn little secrets that can make your design process faster and easier? Let me introduce you to Photoshop keyboard shortcuts, your new best friends. Let's go up here and take a look at the designs that I've created. Think of Photoshop like a huge toolbox filled with a lot of tools you need to create stunning designs. You might already know where some of the tools are, like the brush and the eraser or the move tool. But what if I told you that instead of searching for them every time you need them, you could just press a couple of keys and boom, they're right there at your fingertips. So this is the welcome and thank you for allowing me to teach you Photoshop. This is the welcome. Now let's go up and let's get the second page, page 2. This is where it starts. Learning these keys that's here on my keyboard. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see them. Using just a few keyboard shortcuts, you can get to all of the tools that you need to use quicker. So you see, that's what shortcuts do. They like magic buttons that take you directly to the tool and the action you use the most. Instead of scrolling through menus and searching for the right icon, you can press a few keys and instantly get what you need. Imagine how much faster you'll get things done. And let's go to the last page, which is page 3. More shortcut keys. Now I'm going to hit Command plus just to zoom in so that you can see how simple it is. Instead of me using Command plus, I could have just hit the Z key. Can you see it right here? That's what zoom means. And the hand key, there's a H. Here's the hand key over here. I can either click here or either I could have hit the H. If my fingers are on the keyboard, I can quickly hit H as opposed to reaching for my mouse and then dragging over the mouse to the hand. I could have just hit H. So why should you get familiar with shortcut keys? They save time. When you're working on a project, every second counts. Shortcuts let you skip the searching and get straight to the fun part of creating. The more you use them, the quicker you'll get to know them. And before you know it, you'll be zipping through your designs like a pro. Shortcut keys also help you to stay focused. Instead of breaking your flow by stopping to find a tool, shortcut keys keep you focused on your work. It's like keeping your hands on the steering wheel while driving. No distractions, just smooth sailing. Feel like a pro. As you get comfortable with shortcuts, you'll notice that you'll be working more efficiently and feeling more confident. You'll start to think, hey, I got this. And that's an awesome feeling of knowing everything that you need to know about Photoshop to get you working quicker, smarter, and not harder. But where do you start? I'm glad you asked. Let's go back to page 1. You start right here downloading my guide so that you can have shortcut keys at your fingertips. So don't you worry, you don't need to learn all of the shortcut keys at once. You can start with a few basic like copying and pasting and zooming in and out and add as you go. Pretty soon they'll become second nature and you'll wonder how you ever live without them. So as you dive into Photoshop, take a moment to learn shortcut keys, maybe a key or two, and you'll be amazed how smoother your design journey will become. So every Friday, I want you to look for my freebies. I will be giving tools out just like this one. And it's so that you can know what I wish I knew when I first started. So thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. and I'll be happy to answer you.